Hey everyone, I am finally at the point where I am working on the bench work for my second layout. Got the first piece mounted to the wall. I'm reusing the infrastructure from the previous layout. Got all these pieces all over the place. And what I'm doing differently this time, the old layout didn't touch the walls. This one does. What I'm doing is I'm taking strips of this old carpet. I don't know if you can see it, but use that as padding against the wall so that I'm not mangling the wall too much. But I am using these lag screws to bolt her into the wall. And I'm doing 2 per sheet, which should make it pretty stable at the end of the day. And then I have these posts, either 2x4s or 4x4s everywhere else. So this is just piece 1 of roughly 9. 1, 2, 3. Yep, about 9 pieces. I have to fabricate another 2 pieces out of old pieces of the old layout. So looking good so far. Here we go. I got the second modular section of the layout bolted to the wall, and it's all leveled out. The next thing I have to do is bolt together the 2 pieces. I forgot to mention every piece will be bolted to the one next to it with 1/2-inch bolts and nuts. And this right here is the preliminary track plan. I'm shooting for 3 loops. Eventually I'll put a elevated up, but just to get started I wanted to do 2 main lines and then I don't know if I'll call it a trolley loop or a round town loop. That's all 42-inch 027 profile track. The outer 2 are regular O tubular. You'll notice I put all the switches within arm's reach of the edge. My assumption is that if I keep things that are more or less out of reach, like against the wall, just straightaways, I'm less likely to have incidents that I can't get to. So anyway, this is where I'm at so far. Eventually there'll be an elevated loop somewhere in the middle of the town, but the other thing I haven't quite determined, on the previous layout I used carpet, just green carpet from Ollie's. And I liked it, but it doesn't really look great. It doesn't look realistic, but again, I'm not really going for realistic. I'm going for more of a post-war style, so I might end up doing a very similar concept. Let me know what you think, and I'll try to post some more videos as I make more progress.